Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I am launching the brand new Papercraft Society box. This one is from Simply Made Crafts and I had so much fun putting this together and I can't wait to show you all the goodies that are inside. As you can see, we have these lovely little critters along the bottom. That is a main theme here for the box. I hope you love this one. So let's have a quick look at the whole box there. It's just so pretty. This is definitely one of those keepers. So let's have a look inside. Whatever the season, nature never goes out of style. So I did design this for all different seasons. We do have some autumn on the wallet here, but again, it's going to be for all seasons. So let's delve straight into the wallet. Okay, so here we have the brand new design of the wallet here. It's going to hold all of your goodies, and if you have any extras in here, you could probably pop them in here as well, so it's going to be really easy storage. So let's hope I haven't opened this upside down. Let's have a go. There we go. I think we're all good. Yes, we are. So in this wallet you get this beautiful embossing folder. This is A6 size and it's like a loose woven Hessian style, and you'll be seeing some of those in samples. And for our 3D item, we have this little die set here. This is going to make a miniature gable box. I love this. Just a quick look at the gable box. Here it is. I love that, and that is a sneak peek there of one of the little critters. That's a little bear. And we have also some little dies here for the outline dies for the stamp set that I'm going to show you, and all of the little bits and bobs for making all of your animals. And there is something in the booklet to help you along with that, which I will show you. So we also have this lovely tree trunk here as well. So let's move over now to the stamps. So this is an A5 stamp set here, hoping you can see all that nicely. So we have here an owl, a fox and raccoon, a bear, a hedgehog, a squirrel and bunny. This is part of the hedgehog here, so we have labelled them to make it a little bit easier for you. We have the bunny ears, we've got the bear ears, we have the cat down here, the raccoon tail and the raccoon eyes detail, and then the deer along with some sentiments as well. So you can do this for spring, summer, autumn, winter, and especially for this one down here, you can do Christmas as well. So you also get some A5 craft cardstock here just to get you started, but literally just delve into your stash and personalize this for whatever season and person or occasion that you are making this for. So let's pop this all aside. Oh, I forgot to say, these outlines here do coordinate with these little figures there as well. And there will be a craft along that I will be doing with this, along with extra tutorials and ideas as well. Let's have a look now inside our little box. So in the tissue paper we also get the booklet. So let's have a quick look in here. If you don't want to see this, close your eyes right now whilst we go through. And I just want to really highlight the page, here we go, where you can create all your combinations. So we've not left you trying to guess, we've given you as much help as possible. And then the rest of the the rest of the booklet has lots of ideas and step-by-step photos. So that's what I'm going to show you for the booklet, because I know you like to look through that. So what is inside this tissue? We have a little envelope of goodies. We have some more cardstock at the bottom here. So what colours do we have? We have here blue, mustard yellow, orange. This is double-sided cardstock with a white core, and we also have a green at the back. So this is literally just to get you started. We also have some white embossing powder and also some ephemera. So let's have a quick look at the ephemera here. This all has a white border and it's absolutely perfect for adding to your cards. Now I have a few samples here of the cards I made using this ephemera, so you're not going to be short on ideas. This is lovely and great for just the instant impact there. You know, you can really make some lovely little scenes here with all of this ephemera. There's an absolute ton in here, lots of different themes as well. We've got the mushrooms there, we've got the fox, we've got the trees. So here are my samples. We have this one here with the lovely little deer there with the flowers. Then we have this lovely bear here. I love you very much. So if you don't have time to make all of these little critters up, I have popped a little owl there as well. That's one of the ones from the stamp and the dies. You can literally just go ahead and make a background using the ephemera and then add that on there. Or alternatively, if you're short on time, just make the whole thing from the ephemera and you will get a beautiful and cute little card. So I'm just going to pop this all inside the box here whilst we move on to the next envelope. There we go, what's in here? It's quite bulky. I will probably decant this into something else other than the envelope, but let's just tip all of these out. We have some wood embellishments. There we go, that's all of them out there. So we've got these lovely embellishments here. So we have acorns, we have leaf sprigs, we have actual leaves, and we have hedgehogs, and we have squirrels, nuts, 8 more acorns. We've got some mushrooms here as well, some oak leaves, and you've got plenty in here for decorating all of your little projects as well. Let's zoom in there, see if we can get a closer look. There we go. So those are the lovely little wooden embellishments. And I've just got one more little project to show you. This was made by my DT member Vicky. She has done some wonderful samples for the booklet as well, and there is a template for this cracker as well as a template and download links inside the booklet, as well as lots and lots of inspiration. So all the details for this particular subscription box is listed down below. If there's any special offers, those will be mentioned in the description box as well. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you really love this box, and I'll see you all again soon.